if you want to keep your car or truck started while you get out at the store to get some breakfast or something and it's cold, or you just want to keep the AC going, what you want to do is put your vehicle in park while the vehicle is still running. As you can see, you want to press this start button right here twice. 1, 2, and you'll hear one little click, and now you can take your keys out. As you can hear, my vehicle is still going. Take your keys out, the vehicle is still running. As you can see, my vehicle is still running. So that's my RPMs on my Toyota Tundra. So now I can get out and it'll stay running for the next 15 minutes. So like I said, while the vehicle is still on and your key is in the ignition, you push that start button twice consecutive. All right, thank you and have a great day. And subscribe to my channel so I can keep making videos like this. All right, thank you. Okay, after you come out the store, only thing you have to do not hit the brakes. Make sure you do not hit the brakes yet. You want to put your key in the ignition, and you want to turn it to on. As you can see, now you're ready to go. So you can hit your brakes and the vehicle will not go dead. You hear 2 little clicks and you can go on about your business. All right, thank you, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.